welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a SHEIN wig unboxing. And y'all, this wig is so fire. This wig is perfect for the summertime. And you know you got to wear a short wig for the summer or when you're on vacation. Because don't nobody want to wear long hair and it's super hot outside and you be all sweaty. Girl, no. So I'm going to show y'all a short wig that looks so pretty. And all you girlies will be super excited to wear this wig. And guess what? It's under $50. So you can save some coins and look good. First, this is the package with the wig came in. It came in this pretty pink box. And then turning around, this is what it says. And on the side, it says it's a bald wig. But I'm going to show y'all what it came with inside, but I'm not going to show y'all the wig yet. Okay, it came with a card talking about what kind of texture of the hair they sell. Then turn around this way. And it came with a user guide. And tell you how to wear on this side. Y'all know y'all gotta have a wig cap. And this is it right here. And it came with another card that shows you how to join the SHEIN wig club. And it shows you the steps on this side. And it also came with a elastic band. Also came with a bag for your wig essentials. And it's a code to get this. It's wigs for you. It came like with edge brush. It came with glue. It came with a glue stick. And y'all know the rest. This is the wig. Oh my gosh, she is super gorgeous. Let me turn her around slowly. Oh my gosh, she is so freaking gorgeous. Little details about this wig. This wig is a 5x6 wig, meaning that the wig is 5 inches across and 6 inches back, which is the parting space right here. And this is the pixie cut style wig. This wig is 180 density, and this wig is 8 inches, and this wig is 100% human hair. And the price of this wig is $42, which is an excellent price. But you can use my discount code and save 15% off by using WIG BF key, which will make the wig $35.76. I can't wait to style this wig and have this wig on my head. I will be back. Y'all, this is the wig on my head. Y'all, this wig is giving the 1990 era to the early 2000s. This wig is perfect for like if you're modeling, and also perfect for vacation. And if you want a quick, easy wig that's short, this would be the perfect wig for you. Again, you can use my discount code WIGBFKEY to save 15% off your order. And I will leave the link down below in the description box. Comment down below, what do you think of this wig? And I hope you ladies and gentlemen have an awesome day. But just look at her one more time. Ooh, she's so pretty.